What's up, guys? What do we have here? 1960 Volkswagen Type 2 pickup truck by M2. Let's get a closer look. Now, this thing is tiny. Very, very interesting. Nothing moves on it, but it's highly, highly detailed. Bumpers, lights, back window has a little sticker in it. That's cool. Nice paint job. That on the other side, yep. Nice rims, moon eyes, Volkswagen pickup. Even the undercarriage, look at that. Nice detail on there. Even the tires have grips. So let's move this. And let's put this on here and see what we got. Look at that detail. Pretty incredible. This is my very first Volkswagen pickup truck. Well, slammed down and shortied and everything. So this thing is pretty limited edition. M2. Very, very interesting. Very nice. Look at the detail in that front end. Man, that is something. Anyways, guys, M2 Moon Eyes. Thanks for watching.